Come here. Come. Look at him, guys. Look at him. Look at that. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Guys, there are some huge bait bust up out there, but it's a little bit out of the casting range. It's a little bit too far out to cast anywhere close to it. But there's a huge bait bust up. Oh, dropped my first fish. That was a long jaw. Dropped my first one. Woo! That's not a bad start to the morning. First cast. Get a first touch. Good morning and welcome back to Hartman Adventures, guys. Yeah, man, you know it's Dre again, and I'm out with the light lure setup this morning. I've been having a lot of fun with this setup recently, so yeah, why stop the fun now? Yeah, man, I'm throwing this little green bait again, and I'm on my light setup, 15-pound braid, 20-pound leader. So yeah, man, looking forward to another exciting adventure this morning, guys. So yeah, man, thanks again to you guys for tuning in. Ah, there you are, fish on. Oh, there you are, fish on, man. Dropped you the first time but not the second time. Woo! Ah, dropped him again. That was a long jaw, guys. That was nice. There's still bait busting up out there. I don't think the camera can pick it up from this distance, but there's still some bait bust up out there. Just dropped that long jaw. Nice long jaw, but if you guys have been following the channel, you know that I'm not a fan of keeping the long jaw. Or a matter of fact, I'm not a fan of keeping any fish that I don't really like eating. So yeah, good release. But I have just a little bit of wind this morning in my back, so casting in this is not too bad. I think once I turn the other direction it might get a little bit more difficult, but yeah, this isn't bad from this spot this morning. So let's see if we can pick up anything from the bait bust up we happen out there. Yeah, man, recently there's been several of you guys who are newly subscribed to the channel, so gotta say big up to you guys. Welcome to Hartman Adventures, welcome to the family. Yeah, man, and I hope you're enjoying the content so far. So yeah, these are some of the little adventures that we go out on. Some early morning fishing, late evening fishing, sometimes night fishing as well. And you guys are gonna wanna stick around for a little bit, cause yeah, I just pick up my tent, so you can look out for some camping stuff coming up pretty soon as well. So yeah, soon have some different content coming your way. So big up to all of you guys who are newly subscribed. Big up to all of my long time subscribers. Yeah, man, you have someone there from day one to support Hartman Adventures, so enough respect to all of you. We recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so now we're looking to move on and push on to 2,000. And I would love to welcome you guys on that journey. So yeah, While you're here, hit the like button, hit the share button so you can share it with all your friends and family on your different social platforms. And also, if you're not subscribed as yet, yeah man, just hit the subscribe button. It's just right below where you're watching this video. So yeah, stick around today guys. Hopefully we can get some nice hookups today. Woo! Look at my rod. Just picked up my rod and look what I found on it. That's a big ass spider. I don't think it's venomous though. We don't really have venomous spiders here in Jamaica. We used to have the little black ones with the red dot on the back, but I haven't seen one in a long time. But yeah, look at that little boy. Alright, off you go. Off you go. Off. Let go off of it. Good. There he goes. Think he left his food behind. Back on the jetty. Back on the jetty. Water is just a little bit clearer over on this side. Just a little bit. Still not as clear as maybe 2 weeks ago or a week ago, but it's a little better than further down the line. There's a slight current moving over on this side, so let's see if there's anything feeding in the current. Can just feel the bait drifting. I'm casting straight out this way and the bait is coming in a little bit further down this side. Pretty fast moving current today. Alright, there you are. There you are. There is something feeding in the current. Oh, come on! Oh, how did I drop that? How did I drop that one? I have no idea how I dropped that one. I have no idea what that was either. Probably a small jack. Fighting a little bit different from how a jack normally fight though. That was a nice one. So a lot of times when people go lure fishing and not getting any hookups, it's because they're fishing in a very low current or no current at all. And sometimes it does help to find an area where there is a current, because what you find out is that predator fish tend to feed in the current most times or sometimes. So it does help if you can find an area that has just a little current. So I dropped 2 fish that I hooked up very good this morning. Well, I guess they weren't hooked up very well, but I've dropped 2 of them already. 1 long jaw and something else. Not sure what the something else is. Ooh, come here. Come here. Fish on. Fish on. This is a nice fish. Oh. Wow. That's a nice barjack. Very, very nice barjack. That's a nice barjack. Nope, not under that rock, not under the rock. Not underneath that rock. Not today. Look at that, guys. Wow, that's about a 3 to 4 pound jack. Look at that. Beautiful jack. Look at him, guys. Look at him. Stunning jack. Beautiful, beautiful jack. Look at that. This is the new deadly lure, you know. A new gunman, this. Very beautiful jack. Check out the colors. Sick. Very pretty fish. There's still a nice current pushing through this area, so there's a fish on it. That was a long drop. Ah, dropped it. Oh man, my hand slipped off the handle just now. You got lucky. You hear that? Go tell your friends that you got lucky. Something is on it. What's on it? What's on it? What's on it? Ooh, another jack. Ooh, hit right at my foot. Another jack. It's another beautiful one as well. Come over. I'll come up. Another jack. Look at that, guys. That's another jack of the same type. Another beautiful jack. Look. Woo. Beautiful jack. These jacks are so nice. Yeah man, these jacks are really nice. You can fry them up, escovitch them, put some nice onion, some hot pepper, stuff like that. Very nice jack. Yep, just did a battery change, fishing the same current again. Yeah, the current is pushing. When I cast up the line, it's pushing the lure back down into the calmer section of the water. I would say it's pretty calm now generally, but when I cast in this direction, the lure is being pushed all the way back down here. So current is moving a bit faster. Coming off that point right there, current is moving a bit faster this way. Look at crabs feeding on my fish. You know they catch fish in here? Look at that, guys. Two nice ones. Two very nice ones. So I have one for breakfast. I'll have one for breakfast. I'm going to make up a fire soon. Maybe when I change spot, I can make up a fire. I'll roast one for breakfast. And then I'm going to bring the other one home. So the girls can get some nice fish. My wife actually really loves these type of fish as well. It's one of her favorite type of fish to eat, as well as her dad. Her dad really loves this type of fish. Right, so went over the other side of the jetty, didn't see anything chasing, Didn't get any strikes, nothing like that. So heading back to the first spot. Gonna throw a few more lures there. If I don't get anything, just gonna head back to the car, change to another location, try and make up a fire and roast one of them fish here, have some breakfast, and yeah, try to throw some more lures down there. Another jack. Keep jumping like. Come up. That's another jack. It's another one of the same type. You're not dropping off today. You are not dropping off today. That's another beautiful jack. Look at that. Hooked. Both hooks are in him. Yeah, I was just walking back to the car and decided to just cast, make a few casts on the way back. So now I have 3 of them. Right, gonna make another cast in the same spot. Same little green lure and mash them up again, you know, guys. Same little green lure and mash them up. This lure is what you call a jack magnet. What's that? I just started using this lure last Saturday for the first time, and I've already caught 5 jacks with them already, or with this particular one, this green one. That's 5 jack and 1 long jaw. Got a few more hits to drop off, but yeah, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. But that's not bad. That is not bad. I've had this lure for so long and I just never used it. It was in my bag all the time and I just did not use it. Oh, that's a permit out there. Oh my god. Guys, I just saw a massive permit. I just saw a massive permit out there feeding in the reef, just out in front of us right here. That's a massive permit. Another one. Another one. Come up. This feels like another jack. This is another jack. Hey, it's another bar jack. This is another bar jack. Don't think I'm making any more stops before I get to the car, because the car is just right there. Oh yeah, that's not a bad morning. What's that? 4 jacks. 4 jacks me have on there right now. Don't think I'm far off. Probably 8 pounds of fish right now. Alright, catch you when I get back to the car. I said I wasn't going to make any more stops before I get back to the car. Alright, that's just look nice and flat. See if any barracuda in there this morning. Just I make few little flicks and then move on. Ooh, there you are. There you are. What's this? That was the first cast as well. That's another jack, you know. Oh man, this lure is a jack magnet. This is another jack. And it's another bar jack. It is another bar jack. There he is. Nice tiny little bar jack. Guys, there are so many long jaw in here, just chasing the lure right in front of me. I see about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more over here I saw a while ago. About 6 of them that. And they are lightning fast. No cura yet. Alright guys, look at that. That's another jack. That's another jack. Yeah, done fishing but not ready to go home as yet. Feel a bit hungry now, so try to see if I can make up a little fire. Roast one of them or 2 of them. Right so, and then I go head home. I just chill out until my clothes dry. By the time them I done roast, clothes will dry, so yeah, just stick around. Don't have a lot of battery life left, so I don't think I'm going to record everything, but I'll try to capture as much as I can capture. Yeah. Try to find a few pieces of bramble to make one fire. That's how I make a simple fire right there, so. You can see a regular fish roast right there, so you know, guys. Yeah man, the fire catch up, you know. So I just make it go and burn down. And then once it burn down, then I go drop on the fish them. Yeah man, that's lunch today. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice little bit of charring upon them. Once the other side done, then we're ready for have lunch. Yeah man, just get a one plate. See if we can wash it off a little bit. Plate clean now. Yeah man, look at that. Tender like a butter. Look at that. Yes man, them are ready, you know guys. Them are definitely ready. Kinda move them off I heat a little bit. On the big one I stay on a little more and go and soak. Start with the smaller one, yeah. Just I go shift the bigger one over upon the side there, so you know they directly over a fire coal. Ouch, hot. Look at that. Yes man. Yes Father, thank you very much for providing for me again. Look at that. Juicy. Can't ask for anything fresher than this, guys. Just catch it out, I see. Clean him up, roast him on the fire. Eat him same place. Can't get it fresher than that. That's amazing. Fresh fish is always really good to eat, huh? Them little barjack, yeah? One of the sweetest fish you can eat. You either you grill them up like that, or you fry them, or you brown stew them. However you choose to do them. Delicious. Amazing. This is so smoky. Outside of it is crispy, inside of it is very tender. Feel like a scale them with the dip on it just burn off. I leave the skin. Yep, just finished having lunch, had some water, so I'm about to head on home now. Yeah man, I'm about to head on home. This was a fun day out for me. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one today. Yeah man, this was a very fun one for me to make. So yeah, got some, ate some, sold some, and now I'm bringing home some. So yeah, that's about it for today. Recently I got a number of new subscribers, so if you're a new subscriber, just drop new subscriber in the comment section so I can give you a shout out. So yeah man, big up yourself to all of the new subscribers. Welcome to the Hartman family. And to my #1 subscribers, them from day one. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Too much I don't know for name by name, but yeah man, I appreciate all of you. Appreciate the love and the affection where everyone wanna show me. For a moment I wasn't posting any videos, and the amount of you reach out to me and send me messages. Yeah man, I appreciate all of you guys. So yeah, I'm about to head on home right now. So until the next video, catch you in the next one. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.